We're working on the fourth hand of the 2, 4, 6, 8 section today. So this is the one you've heard so much about. Or if you haven't, now you have. It is the one in the small card, right? The smaller card that got sent out, that it is all in blue instead of the 3 different colors like it should be. And the reason why we know it should be is because down here in the parentheses, it says any 3 suits. So they're going to be reprinting these cards and sending them out to us hopefully soon. But on this particular hand, it should be in 3 different colors. But we have our flowers, which of course isn't a suit. We have in green 2, 4, 6, 8. Those are considered singles because they're not matching. But we've got that in 1 suit. We have a pung of 2s in a different suit. And then in the 3rd suit, we have another pung of 2s. Now, when we look at the parentheses, we learn a little more this time than the last couple of times, but it says any 3 suits. That's how we knew that this should have had 3 different colors. So now it says like pungs, any even numbers. So that means these 2s don't have to be 2s. They can either be a 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now my example here, I went ahead and used the 2s just because I already, I wanted to kind of show you the way that it's actually printed and then talk about what the changes could be. So I've got my 4 flowers, I've got my 2, 4, 6, 8 in dots. I've got, let's see, these are cracks. So I've got my 2s in cracks, and then the 3rd set is going to be my BAMs. So I have 2s. Now this could be changed up. These 2, 4, 6, 8 could be in any suit, as long as these 2 are going to be in different suits. But if I keep with the same suit, I can use either 2, 4, 6, or 8. And my example is going to be changing it out to the 8s. So this would also give you a Mahjong. Just like if I used a 4 or a 6 in these, as long as they're separate suits and that they're different than this suit. This could have been cracks, bands, dots. So we could have changed some of that up. Here I cannot use jokers, but I'd be able to use jokers here. And then of course, anytime I have a pung, I can also change it out to jokers. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions or any examples of what you've won with your Mahjong on this particular hand, I would love to see it in the comments. So have a wonderful day.